Welcome to Power BI tutorial. Today, we will learn to use pictures in our dashboard, stored in MS Excel sheet, using Base64 encoding. First, we will learn how to store a picture in MS Excel cell. There are many online and offline tools to convert a picture into a Base64 format, which we are going to use. Being a Power user, you must have an advanced text editor installed, such as Notepad++. Among other advanced options, they allow you to encode and decode an image using Base64 encoding. Just open an image in Notepad++. This will load binary data into the Notepad. Select all binary data, and click on the plugins. Now, in the MIME tools, select Base64 with padding. This will convert data into your desired format. Copy this data, and paste it into an Excel sheet, at your desired location. Make sure to add format information as well. This is it. Now you have a picture in your Excel sheet, which Power BI can also read. Open the Excel file in Power BI Desktop. Select both sheets, and press Load. Wait for the data to be loaded into Power BI Desktop. Go to the Model view, and create a relationship between the model field of both tables, which in our case has already been created by Power BI. Change the cross-filter direction from single to both, and apply changes. This will allow you to filter data in both tables. Now, go to the table view, and create a new column, and combine both the format and the photo fields, using the concatenate function. First, choose the format field. Then, select the photo field. Once the new column has been created, select this new column, and in the data category select the image URL. Go to the report view, and add a text box to your dashboard, and enter a text as a title for your dashboard. Add a table visual to your dashboard. In the columns area, add the Base64 field. Rename it to Photo. Place the table in vertical order. Go to the Format visual. Change the style of the table to None. Select an appropriate size by changing the height and width. Make final adjustments to the table visual. Good. Now you have images from a database in your dashboard. Add a line and column chart to your dashboard. Add the sales field to the column Y-axis, the units field to the line Y-axis, and the delivery date field to the X-axis, without the days. This will display the amount of sale, and the number of units sold, by their delivery dates. Remove the sum of, from the sales, and units fields. Add a pie chart to your dashboard. Add the manufacturer field, from the cars table, to the legend area. Are the sales field, from the sales table, to the values area. This will show the amount of sales, by manufacturers. Make a duplicate of the pie chart. Now, replace the manufacturer field with the engine type field in the legend area to display sales by engine type. Again, make a copy of the pie chart. Replace the engine type field with the maximum speed field from the cars table to display sales by top speed. Our dashboard has now been completed. There is limited support for the picture data. This was one of the ways you can use images in your dashboard. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates.